Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new unit, that is unit number 3, and this entire unit discuss uh, with the topic longwall mining in advancing method. And here, before getting into the core topic, I would like to discuss few terminologies that are used in longwall mining method, and the topic numbers are 3.1 and 3.2. This entire video classes, these two video classes covers 3.1 and 3.2 topics as per our curriculum. So now let us get into the topic. First of all, what is longwall mining? Longwall mining is a form of underground coal mining where a long wall of coal is mined in a single slice. So longwall mining is nothing but long wall itself. It indicates that there is a long wall of coal in the longwall mining. The coal is prepared for shearing. The coal face is prepared in such a way that in India the length of longwall coal face varies from 60 to 120 meters, and in some favorable conditions that may also elongates up to 200 meters of long length coal face. This prepared coal face is being sheared by using longwall mining machinery. So here this longwall method is applicable from thin seams to thick seams. In thick seams, this method is best suitable in order to extract the complete thickness of the coal seam in the form of slices. So longwall mining is a form of underground coal mining where a long wall of coal, here the long wall of coal is mined in a single slice. That means not the entire thickness of coal can be mined in a single slice, but in the form of web at the face that can be sliced in a single cut. This is about longwall mining. And now let us know about some basic terminologies that we frequently use in longwall mining method. In this image you can see, in the left side you can see hydraulic powered supports, and in the middle you can see bridge bay. This is the bridge bay in which the cables will be accommodated. This is the place where the operators will be moving, and these are the canopies of the powered shock shield supports. These are the hydraulic ring main system for hydraulic cylinders of hydraulic powered supports, and this is the coal face, and here you can see the machinery cutting the coal face. Let me show you a video how the longwall mining method is operated in underground coal mines, and this method is also familiar in using for soft minerals like potash and also for hard minerals like in metal mining industries. Let us watch a video regarding this mining method. You can see how the shearer is cutting the coal and how the broken coal is carried out of this face by armored face conveyor. You can see the water spring mechanism also right at the top of the face. You can see the advancement of the chalk shield supports, power chalk supports. As the face is advancing, power chalk shield supports will also advance automatically. Here is the operator. He is operating the movement of the shearer. These are the high capacity hydraulic pistons which is raised against the roof to support the freshly exposed roof. There are number of power chalk shield supports like this, which covers the entire length of the face from one end of the gate road to another end of the gate road. You can see now the snaky movement of the armored face conveyor. Now the shearer has reached to the end of the gate road. That means the end of the face. Let us watch another video regarding longwall mining
Longwall
operation.
mining is the most efficient mining method of extracting coal from an underground mine. The longwall's major components consist of shields.
Soon after extracting the coal from the face, that is, firstly it will be sent to lump breaker, and from there to the stage loader, and from there the coal will be discharged onto the belt conveyor system. You can see the animation how does a longwall mining machinery works. You can see the shearers at the both the ends of the longwall machinery. This is the movement of armored face conveyor. Yes, that is how the longwall mining method is carried out in underground mines. And now let us know what is longwall advancing. Actually, we will be operating this longwall mining machinery in two methods, and in that two methods, one is longwall advancing method and another one is longwall retreating method. In this chapter, we will be discussing only regarding longwall advancing method. What is longwall advancing method? A system of longwall working in which the faces advance from the shaft towards the boundary or other limit lines. In this method, all the roadways are in worked out areas. So, what happens in longwall advancing method? In longwall advancing method, the longwall machinery will be advanced from the main heading roadway or from the shaft towards the boundary of the mine or towards the boundary of the panel or towards the barrier pillar. We can easily say it as a towards the barrier pillar of the particular longwall panel. So when the longwall face advances from the shaft or from the main roadway towards the barrier pillar of the panel, then that kind of longwall mining method can be called as longwall advancing method. Let me show you what is longwall advancing and how the face is advanced in the direction. I will be showing it in the upcoming slide in a layout. See my dear students, this is the main roadway and this is the length of longwall panel, and you can see after entering into the main gate they will be connecting the tailgate with main gate by driving a horizontal roadway, and here the face can be formed. After forming the face, they will accommodate the longwall mining machinery at this area. After accommodating the longwall mining machinery, the method of extraction of coal by this longwall method will be initiated, and the phase of advancement will be in this direction. That means towards the barrier pillar. Here we can see the barrier pillar or end of the boundary of the seam or particular underground mine. So from the main heading roadway or from the shaft, the face will be advancing towards the direction of boundary of the mine or panel of the longwall, boundary of the panel of the longwall. So this is called as longwall advancing method. Now let us go to another slide, and here you can see clearly the dip and strike direction. This longwall machinery can also be accommodated in inclined seams also. We will look into it later. And here in this you can see this is the mother gate or main gate. Sometimes this will be called as mother gate because to the entire machinery which is being operated on the face line right here, that needs a lot of power up to 11 kV electricity. So all that power, electricity and required hydraulic pressure for operating powered supports and also water spraying mechanism, each and everything will be supplied from this main gate only. So this is the major part in operating longwall mining machinery, hence this can also be called as mother gate. You can see here how is the panel. This is the barrier pillar and these are the roadways, and after entering here they have started extraction and moving in the direction of face advancing towards the boundary of the panel. and this is the extracted area that can also be called as gobe or gove. Next, coming to gate roads. This terminology is very common terminology which is used in longwall method of mining. So what are gate roads? The gate roads which form the sides of the block of coal are referred to as gate roads. That means we have already seen in the video and also in the previous layouts that on the both sides of the longwall face there are roadways which leads to main roadways in the panel. So these these gateways or the gate roads are located on both sides of the longwall face. They are called as gate roads. See, in this image you can see, and here this is the entire block of coal, and gove is nothing but extracted area, and this is nothing but coal to be extracted, and this can be called as a long rectangular coal block. And here you can see this is the longwall face. Exactly, this is the longwall face. As I have told you, the roadways which are located on both sides of the longwall face, that is nothing but this is one roadway and this is another roadway. This is called as tailgate and this is called as main gate. There are two gate roads in longwall mining. One is main gate and another one is tailgate. This entire combination will be called as a single longwall panel, and beside this we are having another adjoining longwall panel. This is another longwall panel. This is also having an independent gate road here and here.